Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the essentials are present, JDK 17 or newer and VS Code. Open a terminal and verify Java and Javac respond with versions so you know paths are correct. Once done, launch VS Code and install the Java extension pack from the Extensions view. This adds language support, debugger, and Maven/Gradle tools. Make sure your Java home points to the JDK folder. If not, adjust system environment variables and reopen VS Code before the next steps. Now you create a project that VS Code understands. Use the command palette and pick Java. Create Java project, then choose Maven, Gradle, or no build tools for a quick folder-based setup. Once you have src/main/java, add a simple main class and save. Next, configure run and debug. Open the run view and let VS Code generate launch JSON, or create one specifying the main class and project name. After that, build with Maven/Gradle or Javac to ensure class files. Finally, run your app using the Run button or package and execute with Java jar for full runtime parity. For debugging, set breakpoints and use the variables and call stack panels. Step in, out, and over to inspect flow and state. Once done, create tasks. JSON for recurring builds if desired. If something breaks, check that Java home is correct, that the class path includes compiled classes, and review the Java extension output log. Addressing those 3 items fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.